Welcome back, peeps. Today I'm gonna share my Negril experience, so stay tuned. Yeah, peeps, this was a 4-hour drive all the way from St. Mary, going through the parishes, Finally reached Negril. So this is where I'll be staying for the next few days. Skylark Beach Resort. Yeah, I know I'm a second time though. Yeah. First time we do over the other side. I think a cocoa palm or something like that. Yeah, cross from Margaritaville. Yeah, it's the 107. Yeah, peeps, we're just dropping at the place. Negril for 2 day. Wish it was vacation, but obviously it's not. Just a little work settings, Just go and do it, enjoy ourselves, and make the most of it. Yeah, peeps, them say it's either rum punch or fruit punch, but we gotta take on some work, so we can't do follow up the rum thing right now, so we'll let that till a later date. See what I'm going in the bathroom, The bathroom look nice. These things are going in the place. Nice and spacious. Wow, with a bag of things. So like what we're going to the bar now. So we have vodka, Bombay, gin, and black gold rum. Things are going over here, say soda going. The snack basket, this I have Lay's, so plant chips and part there, so exotica, fruits and nuts, Doritos, this look like Nature Valley, Oreo, a bag of things are going on, Durex, Safe Sex, you know what I mean? Herbs and weed and all these things. See there? Trouble, Nah, give myself no trouble. I easy myself. These things are going on so still. No. A bag of beer and Snickers bar and some water and something. Fridge will stop, man. These things are going to eat. Yeah, peeps, steam fish hot and ready.